Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can buy stocks via Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, as far as I'm aware, you are able to buy stocks on Cash App. You are able to buy partial shares of it, or partial stock, or I forgot what it's called, fractional stocks, I think. And you can very easily invest through Cash App. You just have to set up your account and everything. And once you set it up, I do have tutorials on it on the channel as well, so you can check them out if you want to. But other than that, I'll be using the support article to help you guys because Cash App is not available in my country or in my region, so I'm gonna have to do this. The first step is to go into the investing tab into your Cash App home screen. Then you can tap the search bar and enter the company name or ticker symbol. Then you need to select the company for which you want to buy. Then you need to press buy. Of course, before anything of this, you will need to have the adequate amount of money on your account. And then you just need to select a preset amount or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. Then follow the prompts to verify your personal information and then confirm with your PIN or your Touch ID. Now, as I mentioned, this is purchased through your Cash App balance. If you don't have enough funds, the remaining will be debited from your linked debit card. Once the order is filled, you can view your investment by tapping the investing tab and going to your portfolio. And stock purchases or sales can be scheduled 24/7. However, orders will be placed during market hours. And the US stock market is open Monday through Friday in the hours you see here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.